Полаттар Украина галан отменять.
We have another great video, thanks to our friend Dmitry from War translated. Check him out on X. Russian soldiers shot dead a resident of the Russian Federation in the Kursk region. He claims that he fired at least 6 bullets at a local resident in the Kursk region because he was ordered to do so by his commander, who believed that even his own civilians should be killed in order not to reveal the Russian army's positions.
Kolomakov Vyacheslav Olegovich, May 15, 1974. From the training ground, we were sent to the 155th Brigade, 2nd Battalion, 3rd Company. So, January 27th. The commander of the 4th Company, Molot, got in touch, who led the entire operation to clear Kursk. He said that a civilian is coming towards us. But it is not a civilian. It is someone disguised. Subtitles editor Semki. Find out where and in which buildings the armed forces of the Russian Federation might be located. If he sees you, he said, you need to shoot. I said, if it's a civilian, why do this? He said it must be done because if you don't do it, then they'll come and wipe you out. Well, in general, if they see you, they will start storming. They won't destroy you. But if you don't do it and come back, I will wipe you out myself. In general, a man came in over 50 years old, and I fired at him. He saw us. I fired no less than 6 bullets into him. In short, I killed him. Do you understand that this is really a peaceful person? Yes, I understand that now. Do you know which federation this peaceful person belongs to? The Russian Federation. Do you know what the 55th Brigade simply says? I know. They also instructed us not to take anyone prisoner. They even gave orders like that, though orally. That's why I don't know what kind of commanders are there. I don't understand at all. I am already over 50 years old, and this is the first time I hear things like this being done, and orders like that being given. What orders? Orders not to take prisoners, to shoot immediately, to finish them off.
The crew of a Ukrainian Air Force Mi-17 helicopter takes down a Russian Shahed 136 kamikaze drone. Ukrainian forces employ mainly Mi-8 helicopters to intercept and destroy Russian Shahed 136 kamikaze drones. In these operations, one helicopter tracks the drone using onboard optical systems, while another engages and neutralizes the target with its weapons. This method ensures drones are downed away from populated areas, minimizing civilian risk. Mongols are rushing to help the Russian armed forces.
Полаттар Украина галан отменять. Kan atın hızlanmaya bıraktı. Hızlanmaya bıraktı. Kapsalan tehen ol. Kotu.
Putin regime propagandist Zakhar Prilepin believes that Ukraine will continue to eliminate collaborators and Russian war criminals even after a peace deal is signed, implying that the war must be fought to a victorious end. It's amusing to watch these scumbags, who have spent the past 20 years spewing blood and bile, finally realize they've picked a fight with the wrong people. Unlike in Chechnya, they won't be able to simply wipe their enemies off the map, and sooner or later, justice will catch up with every last one of them. Even after a possible truce, Ukraine will continue to kill people like Sarkisian. I admit that we may be ready not to take back Kherson and Zaporizhia, which are enshrined in the Constitution, that we are ready to stop at this point and take a pause. And perhaps in 10 years, we will say that this was a mistake. Writer, member of the Presidential Council for Culture and the Arts, and co-chairman of the A Just Russia for Truth Party, Zakhar Prilepin, stated this in an exclusive interview with Ukraina.ru. SBU Special Forces hit Russian troops and equipment, taking out a rare Buk M3 radar. Over the week, they destroyed 8 tanks, 26 armored vehicles, 16 artillery systems, 1 air defense system, 126 vehicles, 4 UAVs, 32 communication antennas, 145 fortifications, 1 ammo depot, and 265 troops. The security service of Ukraine plays a pivotal role in targeting Russian forces through specialized operations. Their elite unit, Alpha Group, conducts high-risk missions including direct action, sabotage, and intelligence gathering. Notably, the SBU has been linked to operations eliminating key Russian military figures, such as the December 2024 assassination of Lieutenant General Igor Kirillov in Moscow. Additionally, the SBU has developed and deployed advanced unmanned systems, like the Sea Baby naval drones, to strike Russian naval assets and infrastructure, significantly impacting Russian operational capabilities. An entertaining show training Russia's young recruits, future ruble millionaires, in the art of war. They're still struggling to remember commands, but chances are they won't need them much anyway. What really matters is their drive.
Раз, два, три, упал. Подожди! Он еще даже не лег. Смещайся, смещайся влево. Еще смещайся, 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 смещайся. Еще смещайся. Вот, все, готов стрелять? Готов. Не готов ты нихуя, ты готов? Вот, стреляешь, готов. Раз, два, три, хоп. А ты сместись вправо, потому что ты видишь рядом с ним оказался. Командуй.
Крайне правый пошел.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.